Hey guys, it's Kristin. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you a really easy and fast way to add some decorations to the inside of your house. And you only need 3 things. So let's jump in and I'll show you how to make it. For this project, you only need 3 things: plastic spiders, some magnets, and then crazy glue. Now I'm using a roll of magnets that I got at Walmart. I just found that it'd be a little bit easier because it's really thin, but you can use any type of magnet. Just make sure that it's small enough that can fit on the body of your spider. So here I've got 2 of my spiders and my magnets. These ones do have like a little tab on the back, so I'm just gonna peel that off. Now this is definitely not sticky enough to keep this on there, so I'm still gonna use the super glue. So once you get your magnets, what I do recommend is it's a lot easier to put glue on them and then place your spider versus trying to put glue on there and then put it on the spider. So it's easier if you can just plop it straight down, and that will save your fingers. You won't get glue everywhere. So I'm just gonna put a little drop on each. Just remember these are really light little spiders, so it doesn't need a lot. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna push this straight down on the body. Give it a second. And then I'm actually gonna flip it over. The reason I do that is because if some of the glue decides to leak out, then at least it's facing this way and it won't get all over your counter. So we'll do the same thing with this guy. Just gonna push the body right on top and we'll hold it for a second. Okay, and then I'll flip him upside down. And now I just have to do all of these. So now you're just gonna take your spiders and you're gonna stick them on either your stove or your fridge or anything that's metal. And I do recommend starting kind of at the bottom. You want it to look like they're going up from the floor. So now I'm just gonna keep adding them on here. Put this one like this. All right, and I'm just gonna keep going up around the corner. And then we'll keep going up here. So you can make this as tall as you want and go as far as you want. There you can see it's going all the way up the stove, so I'll zoom out a little bit so you can see the final look. And that just gives it a little extra creepy decoration for your kitchen, and then I'll do the same thing for the fridge. Now with the fridge, you have a lot more space to go all the way up, so you can see this one goes for quite some time. Now if I back up, you can see what the whole fridge looks like with all of them on there. And it looks really cool. So this is just something a little bit different that you can do for indoor Halloween decorations. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit this bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video. And I'll talk to you later.